Hello guys, welcome back to another live index trading video. I was not able to record my live trading video. There was some noise in the background, so that's why I did not record it. But here I'm going to explain you all my trades over here, right? So I will go to the Nifty on trading view. So here in trading view, if you see, this was a up move and this is a slight retracement. Like there was a level also, right? Resistance level. So like at this level, it was holding, so that's why I tried over here and I took a sell, right? If you see, I took a sell here, right? Again this took resistance, again downfall, retracement, and I like here there was like, if you see, there is a wick, right? So it was taking resistance, so that's why I shorted on the same candle and I booked a sell on the same candle and I entered in the same candle, right? If you see, I entered in the same candle and I trail my SL, and trailing SL got hit in this trade. If you see at this level, my trailing SL got hit and then market went up. Okay, nothing to worry about that. Like if you see here there was like this was the trade in which I took SL in PE side, and here there are two orders. If you see like 1,000 quantity over here, right? So there are two orders. Info. If we go here, okay, so here there are two orders in which I took. In first order I took SL, and in second order I took trailing SL. Like if you see at this level, like it was holding at this level, so like I thought like if candle closes below this level, I'm going to exit from this position, and I exited, and then in the next candle it went up, right? So if I hold, then it will give me a good profit over here because I was holding for this level, right? Okay, then again I shorted at double top. If you see, this is a double top, right? So double top at this level I tried two times and then SL hit it both the times, right? And again, like from here, if you see, there is a like good resistance over here and stop loss is coming very good. Not a good, but there was a very small stop loss. If you see, just look at this 20 point SL at Nifty, right? Again if you see, at this level, like it was going up but it shooted, right? It has shown some negativity, so that's why here it has shown like a negativity, or we can say a downfall. It came down here, like and if you notice, there was like one trade also. Like if you see, up move, retracement, up move, retracement, up move, right? So here I was planning to take trade, but what happened, like here this candle happened and I shorted again, right? Then again at this level I took a sell. Again red candle, again I entered, again I took SL, again I entered, and again I took SL. Like in the third time, I guess, third or fourth time, I entered and I waited, I increased my stop loss because I was just losing amount in this trade, right? Because if you see, just look at this level, like it is just consolidating at this level, right? So here at the last entry I entered and I put stop loss somewhat big, and then I exited at this level because this was the retest level, right? So here I entered and exited. But if I wait and trail my stop loss like previous, then definitely I can book 1 is to, if you see, like here I entered somewhere around here and I exited at 163 level, right? So 163 level I exited here. If I wait, like I booked like almost like 15 16 point, but if I wait, I can book almost like 40 points itself, right? Okay, nothing to worry about that. Like here, if you see, this was the like two times, one time SL, one time trade. Here, first SL, second SL, and here I took multiple SL, right? In this trade, I took multiple SL. If you see, like I entered five times in the same strike price. I booked SL five times, and then one time I booked target of 9,500, which is like 20 point target, not 20 point, but here I booked somewhat like if you see, I guess. Okay, here I entered somewhere around here and like 20 23 points target, right? So it has covered all my losses and made me in profit, right? That's it for the day, guys. If you see this downfall, retracement, and again here there is a one scenario, but here the low, like this was a bullish candle, and the retest level is somewhat above, so we can't take entry at this level and put that much very big stop loss, right? So here definitely you can take entry at this level, put stop loss of 20 point and book target at least up to this level, because this is a support zone over here, if you see, right? So don't don't wait for market to come here. Like if you are getting a good profit at this level, so you have to book profit early, right? Okay, that's it for the day, guys. Just see, like here we have planned that trade and it going in our favor, right? If you see, it is giving us like 1 is to 2 itself, right? Here one only in 1 minute and our target is like this. So I missed this trade. I Okay, better I have took this trade in live market. If you see, there is a strike price which is also added. So here our entry, stop loss, and our target 1:1 got hit, right? So here don't look at this chart, look at this chart index, how much target hit, because options will not move as per the index move near expiry days, right? So here you have to you have to book profit early, and you have to exit from trade if it is giving you a profit, or you have to trail your SL, right? So don't uh, cut your position in losses if like that trade is giving you like 7 8% or 10% profit. Here it is giving us like 8% profit, right? So 8% within a day is like very good profit. So okay, we will see in afternoon if market gives us any chance to enter or not. Like here if you see, still we are in a profit. Like if we entered here 155, it's fine, but if we entered at 158, still it is positive, right? Here just look at the premium decay is very fast. If you see, like we shorted at this candle, market is not even at the level, but here the premium came down because of this sudden up move. Premium has increased very much, then it came down and then again shot up and again came down. So here there will be like very much premium, not a very much premium decay, but there is a slight 5 6 rupees premium decay. If you see, just look at this level. So here our entry, and here like 3 4 rupees premium decay over here, right? Okay, we'll wait for our setup. We will see Bank Nifty also. Just look at this level. Bank Nifty showing some bullishness, so definitely we can trade a bullish trade over here, but it has to close positive, right? It has to close positive, and there must be a logical stop loss in this trade also. Okay, we are waiting. If you see here, it is just consolidating at the same level. We can take re-entry also, but because of this strong up move, I'm not interested to take entry, because just look at this level. This is an engulfing candle. Like if I show you here, this is a pure engulfing candle, and second candle crossed above this level. Okay, let's see how Nifty is going. Nifty, Bank Nifty. Okay, here it has a weak. If you see, it took support from the previous zone also, right? Just look at it. So this is the confluence. Like here downfall, and market trying to go up. Again 2 minutes remaining to close the candle, and these are looking very strong. I can try, definitely I can try some quantity over here, right? But here okay, market went up, so my stop loss has increased up to like 14 15 points, and my target is almost like, if you see here, 1:1 target. There is only 1:1 target if you see at this level. So at this level we have almost like okay here, and now we have a trade in which we our stop loss is big and target is the same, right? So here like 1:1.36, and here 1:3.2, right? So this is how your entries decide your target and stop loss, all these things, right? So here if you entered, your entry must be at 155 158 level, right? And here if I enter, my entry is like 5 6 point up upside, right? Okay, definitely we can wait here to watch 5 minute candle closing. If you see, Bank Nifty has also took support from the same level, right? If you see at the same level. Okay, I will switch to here, because just look at support, 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 and here also support, right? Here the it has created a pin bar candle or non-decision candle over here, and there is a one candlestick thinking also here. If you see, this is a up move, and this is just a consolidation, right? So it can go upside also, but if it is crosses this low, then definitely it can go down, right? So you have to wait here to see, like this is just a consolidation candle, right? And this is a hammer candle, definitely you can take entry, but here no sign, because trend is somewhat looking sell side, because downfall, and this is a retest, and again downfall, there is small retracement. If it is go down, then it can definitely hit your target. Okay, video length is like 10 minutes, and it has crossed the high. I can take, I think I have placed a limit order, so I have to cancel my order. Okay, so like previously also we have did the same mistake. I did not notice that thing, like I placed the okay, so we were entering around like 160, 163. So it is giving us 4 point. That is 1,000 rupees profit, right? If you see trade is going in our favor, but okay. So better that we have avoided that trade. But like there was a setup, and here if you see Bank Nifty is only consolidating, right? So here like it looks good. Here it doesn't looks good, right? So better we avoid it. But here the setup is running good, and we are running in a profit of around 3, 4 rupees, right? So definitely you can exit or you can wait for your stop loss. But here as like it did not broken, so there is a less possibility. But if it is broke, then definitely it can go down, right? Okay, we did not notice our FIBO levels also. Like if you see from this level to this level, market almost touch 0.6. Like if you see over here, 0.618 level, right? So it has came down again, tested again, came down, right? Okay, we will see like our stop loss is at this level. If we get at discount, we will again re-enter in the same strike price with the same stop loss, right? Because market is looking somewhat good today. If you see, still 10 rupees stop loss is there. I will wait. And consecutively, you have to look Bank Nifty also. If Bank Nifty gives a breakout from above this level, then you don't need to enter at this level, because if you see there is a trend line also, and market trend like uh, today's trend is positive, but the slightly if you see this trend is negative, right? If you see market has crossed a day high, so that's why the trend is positive. But here there is a big momentum, so that's why we are assuming that this is a retracement, right? This cannot be a retracement if candle closes strong or candle gives above from this level, right? If you see this zone is like resistance zone, now it is acting as a support zone. If you see candle close but again made an engulfing candle, so this is how the importance level, right? If you see there is a resistance also here, and pivot is here, right? So definitely we can wait here. Okay, let's see Bank Nifty how it is going. So Bank Nifty closing very strong, like not closing strong, but here if you see in 5 minute candlestick pattern, Bank Nifty is trying to go above, right? Okay, we will be ready to take entry here. If you see these are doji candles, that means it is taking resistance, right? And here also it is like, but these red candles are small and green candles are big. If you see there are like common, or you can say constant red and green candles, but here there are like big green candles, and red candles are just doji. That's why we are waiting for a sign to show some negativity. I have some bank chart also here. If you see, SBIN has dropped, Axis Bank dropped, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, all bank has fallen down, but now they are at support. So we don't know they will take support or not. But as per this 5 minute patterns, if you see this are looking green candles everywhere. Here Nifty is making a small candle and Bank Nifty is making a strong green candle. So I don't know like what will happen. Here there is a good chance to enter with a very small stop loss, because we are getting almost like 160 entry, 160 level entry. And I don't want to lose that morning profit here. If you see that morning profit, I don't want to convert it in loss, because I have made like 7k. I guess it was showing me 7 8k negative. From 7 8k negative to we went to almost like 5k profit over here, right? Okay, let's see. Bank Nifty is still showing some bullishness over here. Nifty is still consolidating at this level. Okay, it is taking resistance. If you see, but these are very small candles, right? If you see just this, we want these candles, right? Like I have told you in setup also, like in previous videos also, we will get multiple entries if we don't get a chance to enter, right? Okay, I think I'm going to miss this entry, like here, right? So here you have to, okay, here, right? So target will be same, but if we miss this entry, you can hold, or you can, okay, here if you see we were ready to take entry, and here we have again missed some profit. Okay, just look at this level, right? So this is what we want. But the main thing is that like in the first trade here, market given a red closing, so exited, and in the first minute itself, it has given a green candle. If you see over here, this is a 5 minute red candle, and this is a 5 minute green candle. So here I exited with a trailing SL, and in the second minute it went up and hit my target, right? So this is what I don't want. I'm waiting for sign, because market has to give a closing, not opening, because just look at this level. This is the first minute and market going downside in very first minute. Okay, we need a closing, but here the closing is red, sorry, green. If you see, market is flowing, and now our SL is increased by almost like 20, 15 points over here. We will wait here because the setup is good and we have missed that entry. Okay, just look at this level, right? Okay, fine. It went up to like 169. This is a big strike price. We can go with the smaller one also, right? If you see 129, it will be fine if we take entry at this level. Why it is showing pending orders? Okay, here just look at this level, like market going smoothly down, and we have missed that trade. Okay, nothing to worry. Why it is showing? Okay, I'm, if you see, like this chart is not open. Okay, it open right now, right? Just see this, how this trade is going in our favor, but we missed that entry. Like here itself with a very small stop loss, right? If you see over here, we were trying to enter and it has given us 10 points over here. 10 points is good profit. Okay, I will stop recording here. It's a big video right now. I will upload it to the YouTube. Thank you guys. Okay, let's see. Like I will. Okay, I think I will avoid trading because it's like 11 p.m. Sorry, a.m. and I will try to find setup in the afternoon. Right. Thank you guys. Again, I'm recording another trade which I took recently. Like we were discussing about this trade in the previous video also. Like, so we were tracking, like we are trying to take trade at this level, right? If you see at this level, just look at this. So again we tried at this level also, but we missed that entry also, and even in the third also, but my our stop loss got increased, so that's why we did not trade this trade also. So all these three trades went right and our target got hitted within like 10 minutes itself, right? So like these trades are missed by me. So what I did, like if I go here, right, I will open a chart, right? I will open a chart. I entered, I guess, at 128 level. If you see over here, so I entered over here at 128 level, I guess. So I will show you on chart over here, right? So if I go here, I entered right after this. If I short it over here, right, and my stop loss was very small, right? and I book profit at this level, I guess. Okay, I will switch it over here at this level. If I go here at this level, right? So in the second candle itself, right? If I show you like this, at this doji, like market was pause here, took a pause here, so that's why I exited, because yeah, my target was this level, like this zone here. It got hitted, but I was waiting for to break that, right? Because just see this in 5 minute time frame. If you see, market went down, take a retest, and again came down. So here we were trying to enter here, but that was a green candle forming, so that's why we were not sure. But as soon as this red candle closes, I entered in this trade after consolidation, and I entered with a very small stop loss, and then I booked profit till this level, right? So here we booked a good profit over in this trade, right? If you see over here, this was the consolidation. If you see, this was the consolidation, and then again it has given a fall. So this has been proven that this low has been broken, and just small candles doesn't indicate that there is a bullish momentum. If you see, if there was a bullish momentum, it has to be like this engulfing candle, but here there are small candles. So I entered here, and I exited around, like, yeah, at this level at 11.5. I will add a screenshot if possible, right? Okay, and then it went down also. If you see, it went till 160 level. So but I booked profit at 143 level itself, because if you see at this level 143 here, it was taking a pause, so I exited at market price, though it has went to 145 level, but I did not try to capture that 2 3 movement. I just exited at market price, and I just booked profit. So here that was a 2900, like 2500 negative trade, 3k negative trade. It went up to like 5k profit, and here we booked a good profit in this trade also, right? So here we have discussed the trade setup also, right? So here, like, we can take entries as per this setup also. We just need to do one thing. We have to find a moment and a retracement or retest, right? And that's how you can take trade with a very small stop loss. You can enter 2 3 times with a very small stop loss, and you can wait for a big target, right? But here don't hold a trade which was going against you. If you see this, like, here itself, right? So here bank nifty, just look at downfall, retracement, and again a downfall. So it has made a new low, right? Here the 5 minute candles are engulfing and strong, engulfing and strong. There are no wicks, so definitely we can avoid taking trade at this level, because if you see, this is a downfall, and this is a up move or a retracement, and there is a consolidation. As soon as this consolidation has broken, it went down. So here there is a only retracement, right? So here there is a no pattern to short. Market can never go down in a one way, right? If you see, downfall, retracement, and there is no downfall, there is like consolidation and pattern and something happening, and then it went down. So here there is a retracement, this is an engulfing candle. So we are avoiding our entries, right? Selling entries. So we will wait for another confirmation like consolidation or any pattern, and then as soon as this has been get broken, we can definitely try and book profit at this level, right? So this is how market works. If you see a downfall, retracement, here the 5 minute red candle indicating the selling pressure, but here there are 2 to 5 minutes small green candle, so that's why we were waiting for a sign. And here, like, we tried in this candle also, but we were somewhat late, so with a very big stop loss I avoided. But here, as soon as this consolidation happened, I entered, and I booked till this low, right, at this level. So I booked profit till this level. It will be like more than 1:2, because it has given a good profit today, right? If you see at this level, if I show you, and the stop loss was just like 6 rupees, and we exited at this level, right? So here we booked like 1:2, 2.5 level, right? That's it for the day, guys. I think I have to close the day, and again it is forming one pattern over here, if you see. But I am not interested in patterns, right? If you see, I never tried pattern, right? But I tried pattern, but here I am less confident on pattern. So instead of taking entry at this level, what I will do, I will let him ride, and when it take a pullback or retracement, then I will enter at this level. I will not directly jump on this breakout, right? Yeah, I will directly jump, but I will reduce my quantity, because just look at the stop loss is very much, right? So this, I will not take this much stop loss. I can take this stop loss, and I can take this trade, and definitely I will enter 2 3 times with the same stop loss, with the same quantity, right? Here if you see, my stop loss and target is planned here, but if I entered on breakout, what will be my stop loss? This much, right? So what is your risk reward ratio is just look at 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 2, whatever it may be, right? But here the stop loss is very big. Even you can take stop loss at this level also, because this is like act as a support. At this level will be fine, right? So here if you take entry and wait for your stop loss, like here just look at 28 point, right? But here in this my setup, if you see what I will do, like I will enter 2 3 times, right? 2 3 times itself here. If you see at this level, I will try to give a stop loss of 5 6 or 10 rupees over here. Again, if market goes up again, I will try with the same stop loss with the, like there are 2 3 stop losses, right? So like I can take either one this stop loss or 2 3 stop loss, but here it will be fine if I take this much stop loss, because just see here there will be like so much waiting and there will be like premium decay. Here in this trade I will exit within 4 or 5 minutes with the same risk, right? Or within 10 minutes itself, because this trade almost like 9 10 minutes itself, right? Okay, that's it. I will add this video to the first video and then upload it to the YouTube, right? Thank you. That's it for the day. Closing my day. I will refresh this again because I don't want to keep open positions over here. Like yesterday we did a mistake, right? We were gone against the trade and we have booked a good loss over there. If you see, the market was totally bullish. Like here also we entered and we were in a profit, but we did not book. We exited at stop loss. Again, if you see, like here also we exited with the stop loss, and here at this level, like it went up, but our stop loss limit was reached. And even like in afternoon also, if I show you my afternoon trades which I took with a big risk and full capital over here, I took that in Bank Nifty and booked almost like hell loss. If you see, this is a breakout and retest. If you see at this level, I tried with a very small stop loss, like a small stop loss, but in options, if you look, that was a very good stop loss, right? And I utilized the full amount, not utilized the only 50k amount, which was my previous limit. So I booked a good loss over there. If you see at this level also, I tried and I booked loss over there, right? So these are the two trades, and there was a one trade which is on sell side, which is exactly at this level, because this breakout has failed and I put stop loss at this level, and there is a one spike which came and hit my stop loss, and again like I took 3 SL over here. If I show you that SL trade over here, if you see, like here itself my SL got hit, right? And I regretted that trade that my SL got hit, because if that SL did not got hit, definitely I can book this 100 and like 100 point move in the Bank Nifty and I can recover my losses. But here what happened, like my SL got hit over here because this option premiums were made a spike at this level, and my SL got hit. So if I tell you, like here I entered, here stop loss got hit, just look at this candle. So this candle stop loss hit, like my planned stop loss was 30 rupees, hit like 50 60 points, right? Because options, if you see this momentum, option will go down suddenly, and I exited at market price. So I exited with a very like not a planned stop loss. Here I book loss. Again, if you see here the same candle, and that's why I shorted at this level, and it again came up and I shorted my like hit my stop loss. Okay, today, like yesterday was a loss making day for me, and I took risks with 1 lakh capital, so that's why my risk was increased from 15 to 30k. That's it, like nothing to worry about that. Like we made a profit in this month, but that mistake I have to avoid. So I will try to withdraw my funds, and I will again start January month with 50k capital itself, right? If you see Bank Nifty has, just look at downfall, retracement. But this retracement, just look at, this is a retracement consolidation. These are the strong candles, right? So you have to go with the retest here, because these are not a retracement candle. If you see, just look at this up move and just a consolidation, again up move and downfall, retracement. Just look at this, indicates the retracement, right? And this indicates up move, a pullback, up move, pullback, it can go up, right? So you have to avoid at this level. Like I told, you can take entry here also, like at retest level. If you see, it is went at retest level, so definitely you entered in future here with a stop loss of around 30 40 points, and you can easily get like this will be like your first target, because if you see, this is a false breakdown and again came up, right? Again, if you see, like this will be like first target and this will be like second target, and we have planned in 5 minute time frame also. If market goes up and then came down, it can definitely touch this level, because these are the multiple time tested. So you have to exit early at this level, not at level, right? So you have to place target at 35,050 level itself, because it's a round number 35,000. So you can definitely wait here, because here it has made a spike, but here you can definitely exit at 35,050 level itself. Right, so we will wait for we will wait for afternoon setup to make any pattern or to show any move, and then we can take trade according to that price action and movement, right? So I will close morning session here. Let's see Nifty. Nifty had just look at, this is a wedge pattern which is like breakout, right? But this breakout with a very small candle, no one will try to, like, yeah, this is a good setup, because if you see the RSI, it's showing nothing. Okay, there is no need to enter at this level and to take unwanted tricks, right? Even I don't want to enter with a one lot itself, right? If you see, this is a big stop loss. It doesn't matter one lot, two lot, three lot, or 10 lots. It matters the SL amount, right? If I find this 30 point SL is very big, the reason is so simple, because my target is just like 50 rupees only, and that too, it will take a resistance at this level. If you see, it has taken resistance at this level, right? So it will take a resistance, it will consolidate, and for 50 point I will get only 20 point, and my stop loss is like 30 point. What is this a favorable risk? No, that's why I'm not entering at this level. Although it is not even looking a strong breakout, it's just doji. Yeah, doji means a good setup, right? Because market did not went down, that means buyers are holding that level, but we don't know they will win or not, right? So if you want to become a part of that, then you can enter, and you can entered in a false breakout also. Like if you see, it is just a consolidation, up move, consolidation. So as soon as this low get breakout, so you can definitely take entry, and you can book target at this level, right? But here, like if you see, first time, second time, but here it look like third time, right? Because if you see, this is just a fall and consolidation. So this fall is just like two times fall, three times fall, and four times fall. If you see, uh, entry for a traders, if you see, this is the first entry, this is the second entry, and this is like here up to here, and this is the third entry, right? So here first time, second time, and third time. So third time it has happened, so I will not try to enter in this trade, right? Better I plan reversal trade, but for reversal also there is no setup, because this is the resistance zone. Market can consolidate here and then came down, or it can go up till first target, second target. Here there is no trade, because this is a no trading zone. If you see, just look at this level, like if I mark a big zone over here, just look at, this is a big zone over here, right? If you see the same here, just look at this, market made a head and shoulder, head and shoulder, and all these patterns were here. Just look at this. So here there is no setup, right? Actually there is a setup, but here I'm not interested with that big SL and big target, sorry, small target, because market will hit resistances in its every way, right? So here resistance, 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 resistance. But for support, there is only one support at this level. If you see, if market comes down, it will directly came down to this level, right? Okay, I will close my day, and like if I find any opportunity, then I will try to enter in that trade also, right? I will like combine these all two videos, and then I will upload it to the YouTube. That's it. Thank you guys.